Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at sailingweather.co.uk and weatherweb.net, the sailing weather information service. Thanks again for watching. This is your update issued on Monday, the 12th of May, your week and weekend ahead sailing outlook. And thanks for spreading the word about the videos. Don't forget to tell your friends about them as well, your marinas and also your clubs. And don't forget all our area forecasts are available too. They'll be extended to cover the whole of Europe very, very soon. First of all, a plug for my DVDs and videos. You can go to the website at weatherweb.net and order these. We've got the Weatherwise DVD. I know many of you have got this already. And Weatherwise is a DVD, lasts for just over 2 hours and teaches you about the weather and puts across some pretty difficult concepts of weather forecasting. It makes it really easy for you in sort of 4 or 5 minute chunks, and many people saying how useful they find that video. Also, the Pocket Weather Forecaster book here of mine. It's a book, What I Wrote, and it looks at clouds. It tells you what weather to expect from various different clouds. It's, as its name suggests, it's a pocket-sized book, coffee table-sized book that you can have on board. If you want to order those, go to the website. Okay, enough of the adverts, on with the forecast. And looks as if we've got a mixed week ahead, really. This is the forecast for Tuesday. Some showers through the Channel and through more eastern parts of England on Tuesday, and also perhaps for northern and eastern Scotland. But generally, for many of us, there'll be some sunny spells around. Through the Channel, we're looking at west-northwesterlies blowing at around a 4, perhaps up to a 5, perhaps even touching low end of a 6 in the west at first. Through the Irish Sea, we're northwesterlies here at a 4, possibly touching a 5. Western Scotland, northwesterlies here at a 4 generally. And eastern parts of Scotland, northeast England, northwesterlies blowing at a 4. On to Wednesday, high pressure building into the south. We've got some fronts that just zip their way northeastwards, bringing some cloud, rain and reduced visibility to northern and western parts of Ireland, and also to the northern and western coast of Scotland too. Generally looking at winds through the Channel, coming in by then from a northwesterly direction, probably around a 3, but do expect a few sea breezes perhaps to develop in the afternoon. For the Irish Sea, southern parts of the Irish Sea, west-northwesterlies at 3, northern Irish Sea, westerly at a 4. Western Scotland, southwesterlies here at 5s. I think for eastern Scotland we're going to be looking at southwesterlies at 3 or 4. And for the east of England, west-northwesterlies here around a 3. A fair day for many with sunny spells. And then for Thursday, high pressure again down towards the south of the country. I think an increased risk of sea breezes affecting southern and western coasts of England during the course of Thursday. Fronts affecting northern and western Scotland, bringing some rain here. Through the Channel, quite variable winds, tending to turn into an east-northeasterly at around a 4 across northern coasts of France. Variable at around a 2 or 3 across southern England, but eventually sea breezes kicking in and probably taking us up to a 4. For the Irish Sea, generally westerlies here at around a 3 or a 4. Western Scotland, west-southwesterlies at 5s, but 6s, possibly even 7s for northern Scotland. Eastern Scotland, westerlies here blowing at around a 4, and eastern parts of England, westerlies at 3 or 4. Friday sees the high over the top of us. Again, it looks as if we are going to be finding the threat of some sea breezes across southern and western coasts. Generally, the flow coming in from an eastern northeasterly direction and blowing at around a 2 or a 3. Stronger winds across the northern coasts of France, though. Those of you sailing there, we're looking at a 4 or a 5. Sea breezes setting up the winds to a 3 or 4 in the afternoon across many parts of southern England and also Wales. Wales generally looking at a 2 or a 3, rather variable. As I say, those winds, the sea breezes kicking in. Northern parts of the Irish Sea going westerly at 3. Western Scotland, southwesterlies 4s here. Reduced visibility because of the drizzle and the low cloud that's going to be down these coasts. Eastern parts of Scotland, we're looking at a westerly at around a 4, and eastern England generally westerly 3s or 4s, but sea breezes setting in there too. And then the weekend, don't you know it, things change. A front coming in during the course of Saturday, moving its way eastwards, bringing some outbreaks of rain with it as it does so. And I think reducing visibility in many western areas. That range is spreading east during the course of Saturday. Light winds, though, I think just variable at probably a 2 or a 3 through the Channel. West-southwesterlies 3 affecting Wales and southwest England. Southwesterlies at 5s affecting western Scotland. Southwesterlies 3s and 4s off eastern Scotland, southwesterlies 2s and 3s off eastern England. But what that front does and what the light winds do in the south is increase the risk of visibility becoming moderate or poor. And then for Sunday, all change. Low pressure over the top of us on Sunday. Some uncertainty over exactly where this is positioned, but generally looks like bringing us a southwesterly at 4 through the channel, but increasing in the afternoon. Westerly 5s and 6s in the west, and for the Southern Irish Sea too. Cyclonic across western Scotland, here blowing at a 3 or a 4. I think generally a southeasterly at 4 for eastern Scotland, southerly at around a 3 or a 4 over eastern parts of England on Sunday, but a much more unsettled day with that rain moving through. Visibility moderate to poor in the rain, and then moderate to poor as these heavy showers follow in from the west later on in the day. The wind's turning quite gusty through Sunday as well, but of course we'll keep you updated on that. We'll have an update on this forecast online on Thursday for you, but hopefully that's proved useful for you for now. Please do tell your friends, your sailing colleagues, your clubs and your marinas about us. Feel free to email out about us as well and link to the video. But for now, whatever you're doing, have a great sailing week and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.